Good morning, children. Today, let us learn about multiplication of a decimal by 10, 100 and 1000. Okay. When the multiplier is 10, 100 or 1000, we move the decimal point to the right by as many places as number of zeros after 1 in the multiplier. Let me explain this, children. To multiply a decimal by 10, move the decimal point in the multiplicand by one place to the right. One place to the right. The given example is 834.7 into 10. Here 834.7 is the multiplicand and 10 is the multiplier. Okay. Here we are multiplying that number by 10. To multiply a decimal by 10, move the decimal point in the multiplicand by one place to the right. Okay. Here in 834.7, the position of decimal is here. You are multiplying by 10. So, move one place to the right side. That is, this is the decimal point, children. So, in our answer, the decimal point will come after 7. Move one place to the right side. Okay. നമ്മുടെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ 4 കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ് ഡെസിമൽ പോയിന്റ്. അത് 1 place to the right side. 1 place to the right side means 7 ആണ് റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിലുള്ള ഡിജിറ്റ്. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഡെസിമൽ വരും. ഓക്കെ. സോ 8347 is the answer. Children, here the position of decimal is this. Here. So, move one place to the right. One place means you should put the decimal after 7. After 7, the decimal will come here. So, the number is equal to 8347. Okay. Next is, to multiply a decimal by 100, move the decimal point in the multiplicand by 2 places to the right. 2 places. Okay. That is, in this example, 98.26 into 100. The decimal should move 2 places. 2 places. So, 98.26. 2 places to the right. So, start from here. 1 place, 2 places. So, the decimal will come here at the end of the number. So, our answer is 9826. We can write this as 9826.0, but after the decimal there is only zeros. So, this is valueless. Okay. So, we can write it as 9826. Okay. Now, to multiply a decimal by 1000, move the decimal point in the multiplicand by 3 places to the right side. 3 places. Okay. So, children, this is our question. 793.41 into 1000. 793.41. We are multiplying by 1000. So, move 3 places. 1, 2. Okay. Children, we need one more place also because we are multiplying by 1000. So, you should put a 0 in third place. So, the decimal will come here. So, the position of the decimal is here. So, our answer is 793,410. 793,410. 793,490 is our, sorry children, 410 is our answer. Okay, let me explain this children. Our question is 793.41. We are multiplying by 1000. Means you should move 3 places to the right. The decimal point should move 3 places to the right. So 1, after 1, after 2, then after 2 there is no digit. So third place is 0. We can write a 0. Then the position of the decimal is here. So children, this decimal shifts to the after the third place. So our answer is here is the decimal. So 793,410 is our answer. Okay. Let me explain more examples. Our next question is 1854.347. 1854.347 multiplying by 10. That means, so we should move the decimal point 1 place to the right side. 1 place. So the position of the decimal point is here. Okay, so our answer is 18543.47. 18,543.47. Okay. This is the decimal point. When we are multiplying by 10, it shifts to 1 place to the right side. 1 place. Okay. So this is a new position. New position of the decimal point. So our answer is 18,543.47. Okay. Now our next question is 72.4 into 100. 72.4 into 100. Into 100 means, children, you should shift the point 2 places to the right side. 2 places. So 72.4. So 1 place. Okay. Then we need one more place also. So here there is only 1 place after the decimal. And 100 has 2 zeros. So we put 1 0 at the end. We want one more place. So put a 0. This is the position of the decimal now. So our answer is 7240. Okay. 7240. ഈ പ്ലേസിലായിരുന്ന ഡെസിമൽ ഇവിടെ എത്തി. ഈ പ്ലേസിലെത്തി. Okay. That is after 2 places. So here there is only 1 place in the decimal part. So we need one more place also. So put a 0. Okay. Our next example is 887.43 into 1000. Into 1000. Into 1000 means we should put the decimal point after 3 places. 3 places to the right side. 887.43. This is our question. We are multiplying by 1000. So the point move 3 places. 1, 2, Here in the decimal part only 2 places. So we need one more place also. So put a 0. Okay. So our answer is 887430. After this decimal will come, but at the end of the number, this decimal is valueless. Okay. This is valueless. So our answer is 887,430. This is our answer. Okay. Let us check few more examples, children. 5.32 into 10. Into 10 means we have to move one place to the right side. One place into 10, because in 10 1 0. So ഇവിടെയുള്ള decimal ഇവിടെ വരും. So our answer is 53.2. Okay. Suppose we are multiplying the same number by 100. So our answer will become, this is one place. We need one more place. One place. After one place, since we are multiplying by 100, we need one more place also. So what will we do? Put a 0. So our answer is 5320. 5320 is our answer. Okay. Now we are multiplying the same number by 1000. 1000 means 3 places to the right side. 3 places. ഇവിടെ എത്ര സീറോ ഉണ്ടോ അത് നോക്കിയിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ പ്ലേസസ് ഡിസൈഡ് ചെയ്യുക. സോ 1 place, then 2 places, 3 places. Okay. But children, here in the decimal part only 1 digit. 1 digit. Okay. So after the first number, put 1 0, again 1 0. So now this is the position of the decimal. 53200. 53200. 53,200. Okay. So children, here in the decimal part, there is only 1 digit. We need 2 more places also, because here we are multiplying by 1000. So the decimal will move 3 places to the right side. So we can put zeros like this. Okay. Next question is 7.25 into 10. 7.25 into 10. Multiply by 10 means 1 place to the right side. The decimal point will move 1 place to the right side. So it will come here, this place. So 72.5 is our answer. Next we are multiplying the same number by 100. Okay. So 100 means 2 places to the right side. 100 le 2 zeros ana. So 2 places to the right side. 1, 2. So this is the position of decimal. 725 is our answer. Okay. Now we are multiplying the number by 1000. 1000 means the decimal point should move 3 places to the right side. 1, 2, and we need one more place also. So what will we do, children? Put a 0. So our answer is 7250. This is the position of the decimal. But at the end of this number, the decimal is valueless. Okay. ഡെസിമൽ കഴിഞ്ഞ് 0 വരികയാണെങ്കിൽ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് വാല്യൂലെസ്. 0 അല്ലാതെ ഏതെങ്കിലും നമ്പർ വന്നാലേ നമ്മളത് എഴുതേണ്ട ആവശ്യമുള്ളൂ. സോ അവർ ആൻസർ ഈസ് 7250. Okay. So children, when the multiplier is 10, 100 or 1000, here in this question, this is the multiplicand and this is the multiplier. നമ്മൾ ഏത് നമ്പറിനെയാണോ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നത് ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കൻറ്റ്. ഏത് നമ്പർ കൊണ്ടാണോ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നത് ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ മൾട്ടിപ്ലയർ. ഹിയർ വി ആർ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈയിങ് 834.7 by 10. 834.7നെ 10 കൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ 834.7 ഈസ് ദ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കൻറ്റ് ആൻഡ് 10 ഈസ് ദ മൾട്ടിപ്ലയർ. ഓക്കെ. So to multiply a decimal by 10, move the decimal point one place to the right. One place because 10, 1 0. When we are multiplying by 100, move 2 places to the right. 2 zeros. In 100, 2 zeros. Okay. When we are multiplying by 1000, 1000 means 3 zeros. So move 3 places to the right side. Okay. If we need more places, we can put zeros. Hope this topic is clear for you. Thank you, children.